How's it, guys? We are at the beach today, which is so weird because we are not beach people. But it is Kajari's first time at the beach and she is having an absolute blast. You guys are going to see a lot of really awesome footage of her, and she even swam for the first time, which is so cool. We're very proud parents right now and we're having a great day.
Thanks, friends.
In nature.
It's okay. It's okay, please. No, just wait. Wait, Uncle John's going to open the thing. Then you can come up, okay? Okay. That's a good girl.
Here you go. Hello, baby.
Hi, baby.
She's a baby.
There we go. Where are you?
Yeah, I do have a water bottle.
Jerry,
Hello, my angel. This is so exciting.
come here. Come look here. Come here. What's this? Come here. What's this?
She's going to try and drink it and realize it's salt.
It's salty water. Yeah.
So many things to snuff.
Touch.
Get shallower.
It's cold.
She's like, no.
Slow down.
You can't drink it, Kajari. Oh dear.
Okay, can you stop? It's very salty, you know? Yeah.
There's a sponge. Don't eat it.
Leave it. Jerry, leave it. Go. Let's go.
She's a good girl. Come.
Don't drink it.
Come, Kajari. Come inside. Come.
Come on. Jerry, touch. Jerry,
Come.
touch.
Good girl.
Yes.
Good girl.
Good girl.
See, we like the water.
There we go. This is my first time, guys.
It's so cold.
Can't reach it.
You can't eat it. Hey.
It's a nice water. Hey, you like that water, baby. Come, let's go. Jerry, this way. Jerry,
Oh, she's watching Loki swim.
he's swimming. What's that?
She doesn't know what's happening. There's a good girl.
Let's go. Oh, walk like this.
Come. No. Come, Kajari. Come, baby. She knows how. Come on. Come on.
It's moving.
Come, Kajari. Come.
This water moves. Jerry, come.
Kajari, come. Come, Kajari. Come, baby. Come on.
Oh, there it is.
Good girl. She's doing it. Come on. Come, baby. Come on. Come on.
Come.
Come, Kajari. Come. Come.
It's getting noisy. Come. Good girl, yes.
Come on. You can do it. Come.
Come on.
Come, Kajari. Come, baby. Come
It's
on.
starting to sound very noisy there.
Come on.
It's okay, baby.
Come, baby. Come on.
You can do
Come
it.
on. This is my girl. Come
Yes.
on. She's doing it.
Yes.
Come, baby girl.
You can make it. Almost there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you did it.
You did a doggy paddle. Oh my goodness.
Look at her tail.
Oh my
It's so
goodness.
thin.
That's amazing.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Hey, baby.
She's so happy.
She definitely never seen an ocean before.
No.
Or the beach at all.
I'm not scared of these rocks, guys.
Yes.
Yay!
What are you doing? This is how dogs swim now.
That hole is sinking. Come in.